Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back students in your online computer class. Today I'm going to start the new chapter, that is chapter 6, links and frames in HTML. The student, I'm going to tell you some points before starting this chapter which you have to keep in your mind for further while attempting the next test or examination or while doing your classwork. First of all, students, complete your work on time. Don't submit the copy with incomplete work. Do your work very neatly. And when you give your test or examination, don't use internet language. Write your answer in your own language. Okay, let's start the chapter, that is chapter 6, links and frames in HTML. Now, what is a website? A website is a group of web pages. In a website, all the web pages are linked together, right? Now the question arises that how these web pages are linked. These web pages are linked with the help of hyperlink. Okay, now what is a hyperlink? Hyperlink is an underlined text or image which when clicked leads to another location, and that location can be on the same web page or a different one. Okay, now here you can see that this is a web page, right? And you can see that here some text are blue in color. So the text which are blue in color is, so when we click on this blue text, it will leads us to another location, or you can say to another page, right? So this the blue text is a hyperlink. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the anchor tag, which is used to create hyperlinks, and we will learn about the frame tag, which divides a page into rectangular areas. So our first topic is creating links. You all know that hyperlinks are used to link various web pages of a website. We can use them to navigate from one page to other. Hyperlinks are generally blue in color. Now there are three different kinds of links available on a web page. First is eternal. It is used to link on the same page. It links on the same page. Second is local. It links to another page within the same website. And third is global. It links to pages on different websites. To link the web pages, we use anchor tag. Anchor tag is used to create a link. It is denoted as small a, and we close the anchor tag like this. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. So it is a container tag, right? It is used to link external web pages. And the href. The href is a attribute. href. This is attribute. It is used with this anchor tag. Okay. Now what is this href? It is hyperlink reference. What is this? It is hyperlink reference. This href is attribute. It is used with the anchor tag. This attribute, what is the use of this attribute? This attribute takes the URL of the linked page enclosed in double bracket. This attribute takes the URL of the linked page enclosed in double quotes. I am going to show you the example. See, for example, if you want to add the word contact us as hypertext to an HTML file, so the code would be, we'll write a, this is anchor tag, and then we give href, hyper reference is equals to, and within inverted commas we give the address of the web page from where we want to link. Okay, so here we give the address of the web page. Suppose the address of the web page is details.html. okay, so here we give the address of the web page where we want to link, from that page we want to link. Okay, now we close it, and then here we give the text. We give the text here. We give the text here which we want to make a hypertext. Suppose I have given contact us. This is the text. When we click on this text, it will take us to this web page. Okay, and then what we do, we close the anchor tag. This is how we do linking of a page. What we do, we give a href is equals to, and within inverted commas we give the address of a web page where we want to go. Then here we give the text. This is the text which link us to that web page. On clicking on this text, we'll go to this page. Okay, and then we close this anchor tag. Here in this example, this contact us will appear as a hyperlink. Okay, this hyperlink, when you will see, when you will click on it, it will direct you to this web page. Now I am going to tell you how to create a web page using the anchor tag. So first I open Notepad, and then I'm just telling you a syntax. Okay, how we use anchor tag. So this is just an example. So HTML head, then I give the title tag, and I give the title page linking, then close title tag, and then close head. Then we open body tag. Now I'm going to give a heading. So we give h1. Now I'll give the heading. This is first page. Now I close this tag. Now I'll use the anchor tag, and with the anchor tag I use its attribute hyperlink reference. See, I have written a, then space href is equals to, and I have made two inverted commas. Then I'll give a text which is used as a hypertext in an HTML file. So I have given a text, go to second page. This text is used as a hypertext. Then I have closed the anchor tag, and then body tag, and then HTML. Then I'm going to save it. Let's give the name first page dot html. Then click on save. Now within these inverted commas, now I'm going to make another page. This second page, I'll connect the first page from this second page. Okay, so I'm making this page. Now I'm going to give the title use of anchor tag. Then I close this title tag, then I close head, then I give body tag. Now I give the heading. This is the second page. Then I close the heading tag. Now let's give the BG color is equals to red. within inverted commas. We'll give the color within inverted commas. Okay, now this I am creating the second page here. Now I'll close the body and then HTML. This is our second page and the previous one is the first page. Now I'm going to save this. Second page dot HTML. Then click on save. Now close this. Now I'll open the previous page. I'll open this page with Internet Explorer. See, this our page look likes, and the text which we have given is the hypertext, right? Now I'll connect this page from the second one. So I'll open the second page with Internet Explorer. Here you can see that this is the address of this second page. So I copy this address from here and then I'll paste it here. This is the coding of the first page, so I'm going to paste it here. Now I'll save it and then I close. This is very important. This step is very important. Now open the first page with Internet Explorer. Now here you can see that this blue text is a hypertext. When I click on that text, I am directing to a second page, right, as you can see here. Now if you want to come back from the second page to the previous page with the help of a hypertext, then what we do, we give here this. I have opened the coding of a second page, so here I'll give the path or the URL of a first page in this within this inverted commas, and I have make a hypertext go to first page. This act as a hypertext, and then I'll save this. Now I'll go to the coding of the first page. I'll open it with Internet Explorer, and from here I copy the path of this page and then I'm going to paste it here in this coding of the second page. So I'll paste it here. So this will redirect us to the previous page. Now save it and now close. Now see, when you open the first page with Internet Explorer, as you click on this hypertext and then see as I click on the hypertext go to second page, it takes us to the second page, right? Now when I click on this hypertext go to first page, now see it will take us to the previous page. Our next topic is specifying colors for links. You all know that the default color of a link is blue, but you can change this color to distinguish various links on a web page. We can change this blue color by using link, A-link and V-link. These are the attributes which we use with the body tag to change the color of a link. First is link. This attribute is used to set the color of a link that is yet to be visited. Its default color is blue. Then a link. This attribute is used to set the color of the link when the mouse pointer is on it. Its default color is red. And v-link. This attribute is used to set the color for the visited link in a web page. Its default color is purple. This link is used with the body tag. So how we give this in our HTML code? We give body, then we give link, then space, then equals, then space. Let's give the color red. Then we give a link, space, a link is equals to, then space, yellow. Then we give v-link is equals to space, green. This is how we give the links within a body tag. What it will help to it is used to change the color of a link. Okay students, this is it for today's class. Inshallah, in the next class I'll teach you how to use an image as a hyperlink, and I'll teach you about the frame tag. Okay, Allah Hafiz.